Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions, and in this video we will show you how to copy hashtags from Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram on a web browser. After that, go to a post with hashtags, and as you can see, I'm into a post with hashtags. And to copy hashtags, I'll just put my mouse on a hashtag and click the right side button, and I'll just hold it and swipe over the hashtag, like just hovering my mouse over the hashtag while holding the right key on the mouse. So after that, leaving it, and I'll just click the left key on the mouse and click copy. So my hashtag has been copied. So if I go to search and just paste the hashtag up, just I copied, and as you can see, the hashtag just pasted on my search bar. So that's how you can copy hashtags on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful for you, then please like this video, share our videos, and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and peace.